Alright, it's almost 5 o'clock now. Boy, 5 o'clock. Damn, it's bad. Where's George? Shit. George turned into a penis. Damn. Okay, we have to knock off his and find out where his head is. Oh shit. Wow, look at that. George is just bobbling over there. His head is nearly... Damn, that was just out here about 45 minutes ago. Let's see what we got now. Whoa! That's 6. Shit. Damn. 7 inches. Beautiful. 7 inches of this white stuff. Look at Allie. I don't know if you can see her. She's at the window barking at me. I want to go out. Can't see. I know I got no light to this thing. Sorry. Maybe this by the last one. Oh, can't open up the gate now. Oh man, it's kicking. Is it kicking out here? Look at it. You can't see nothing. Visibility down to nothing. I hear dogs. Wow. Alaskan fucking dogs. Must have came from Alaska. Must be Bristol paling. Wow. Whoop. I forgot I had the camera on my wrist. Okay. Let's see. Hey, Annie. See? Miss this stuff, don't you, girl, huh? It's horrible. Now look at it below. Just look. Yeah, it's crazy out here. Can't see nothing. I don't. I already see a light blinking on the highway, so I guess something happened on the highway. I hear a truck. I don't know if it's a sled. I don't know if it's sanitation. See, neighbors out here. That's what they do. They know sanitation sucks. So what they do? People put on their own shit. And, yeah, look at that. Tell me that ain't good, man. Man's going around the neighborhood doing it with his own Jeep. Alright? I love my neighbors. They're the fucking best. Sanitation fucking sucks. What are you gonna do? Man, it's horrible out here. Woof. Yeah, Kev, Tracy, you're gonna get this shit too within hours. Cause it's bad over here. I couldn't even open up my gate. And you know the gate over here. You can't even open it up and everything. Whew. I mean, it's bad. It's bad. Like Michael Jackson said, it's bad. I gotta take George out from this spot here so he could see where George is. Okay. Okay, where's George now? Okay. Alright, George. I'll take you out. Let you get reburied. My hands are freezing. I'm going in the house. Later.